Hello everyone, this is Ryan here at Cars Remember When. Hey, I got a really cool car for you today. This is a 1966 Chevy Nova Super Sport. It has been totally restored. It's had a lot of body work done to it. It has a built 355 small block 3-speed automatic transmission. This car is a riot to drive. It is really quick. Beautiful blue paint, almost like a marina blue. I'm gonna hop in and fire it up for you. Digital dash, or should I say Autometer gauges. So turn the key. So down here you have, this is your fuel pump and this is your engine cooling fan. So I'm going to turn just the fuel pump on for now. This car just wants to run. Does not appear the horn works. Doesn't appear the wipers work either. You do have a blower motor fan. A little dusty there in the blower motor. And you have a upgraded to a 3-speed automatic, which is a big help. Bucket seat console interior. Alright, there you have it. There's your small block high performance. This has Edelbrock aluminum heads, high-rise Edelbrock intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor. It's a Holly style, hot ignition system. This vehicle just wants to go. Nice headers on it on there. Got a nice transmission cooler here. Really nice sounding motor. You do have power front disc brakes. And keep in mind, we totally just refurbished the whole front suspension on this vehicle. It is all fresh, including new coil springs. So the front end is all new, aligned well. This thing drives awesome. Great power, great responsiveness. If you come out here and test drive this vehicle, you're going to be really impressed. And keep in mind, this also, I misspoke earlier, this has 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, it has 4-wheel power disc brakes, which is a nice feature when you got some serious horsepower under the hood. Really nice paint and body overall. You know, there are some little stuff on this car, you know, like some of the gaps are a little off here and there. You know, these Novas, I don't think were great when they were new, and they're hard to get right these days, but they got it pretty close, whoever restored this car. You can see that one's a little wide on the top, but all the gaps overall are decent quality. So if you're in the market for a really nice Nova with a powerful small block engine and totally restored brand new front suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, feel free to give us a call. Our name is Cars Remember When. You can find us at carsrememberwhen.com. Give us a call if you have any more questions. Thanks.